na kami sa dorm namin.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, guys. Angela.
Hi. Guys.
Hi, Hirsch.
Hi, Hirsch. My bed.
This is my bed. It's
Your beautiful bedmate.
down now. My bed is downstairs.
Let's go down. With me.
Wait, can you please hold?
Okay, sure. Oh, it's the monster.
It's so bad.
Yeah, I know that.
You go down now. This is my bed.
That's your haunted bed.
Are you so bad?
This is my feet.
Hello, Kela. Hi, Kela. Hi, guys.